Signing and sending legally binding documents to multiple recipients is incredibly easy and fast using the eSignature Document Exchange plugin. The reason why? It works directly from Microsoft Word. Let's run through an example where you need to send a document signed by yourself and also have the signature of two other parties in order to complete a legally binding agreement. Open Microsoft Word that has the EDX plugin installed. Then navigate to the eSignature toolbar. Open a document that requires signatories and locate the cursor to where you would like to add your own signature. Click on the Self-Sign button. Your signature will be added at this location within the document. You may also wish to add a further instance of your signature elsewhere within the document. So in this example, we will place it at the end of the document. Then, add the first recipient's email address into the drop-down box and click on Add Signature Tag. Now add the second recipient by entering their email address into the next slot in the drop-down box. Note how each recipient is color-coded. Click on Add Signature Tag to physically place the tag onto the document. We now have a signature-ready document which can be saved and may be used as a template for future transactions. When you are ready to send the document for your recipients to sign, click on the Send and Sign button. A dialog appears confirming the recipient's details. In this case, there are two recipients. For reference, enter an optional subject and message. If additional security is required, you may tick the option which will send a code to the recipient's mobile device. This code will then be required to open the document for the recipient to sign. Your digitally signed document is now sent securely to its intended recipients. Each recipient receives an email prompt and clicks on Sign My Documents. A browser window from the eSecureSign portal opens and displays the document to be signed by the various parties. In this example, Peter White will sign, so he scrolls down to locate to where within the document he is required to sign. This is clearly shown by the large orange arrow. If Peter has previously signed documents, then he will be able to retrieve his signature using a password. If he hasn't, as in this example, he can quickly create his signature by entering his first and last name along with initials and selecting a font style. He can then save the signature for future retrieval. His e-signature stamp is displayed and he clicks on Add Signature Stamp. His stamp is visually added to the document. You can also see the sender's signature stamp already present within the document. To complete the legal transaction, Peter clicks on the Accept button. The digitally signed, legally valid document, complete with visual signature stamps from all parties, is returned as a PDF complete with a detailed audit trail. It's that simple.